don't give up on your passions. Like, even if you don't feel like you have an opportunity to do it, just like make one.
Be confident in your own ability to succeed.
Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall.
Don't wish away your time here, like it ends really quickly.
I wouldn't have gotten half this stuff if I knew it wasn't gonna fit inside the burrito.
Branch out and make new friends.
Always thank your teachers when you leave the classroom. They work as hard as you do.
Bring snacks to class because it helps you stay focused.
Don't count the days when you're here, actually make them count. And also, always tell Hein your opinion on the lunch. He'll hear you out.
Don't stress about things you can't change.
You cannot sacrifice your social life for grades, but you cannot sacrifice your grades for your social life.
Remember that nothing that you've done in the past is better than what will happen in the future.
Go to TV.
Have as much fun as you can afford to. And
Don't stop me now, cause I'm having a good time.
Dreams don't work unless you do.
You're never gonna find another place like BT.
Stay cheesy, guys, and bold grows quick.
Learn it together is not to confuse the end product happiness with the mode, the way of achieving that happiness.
Don't be afraid to make new avenues for your creative outlet. This school is very nurturing for any new ideas that you're willing to present.